everybody, Horserider Blue here, and today we are going to be looking at all of my animals. So first off, we just have the 4 chickens. Very nice. Little chickies in their coop. So that's very nice right there. And then now we are going to look at the goats. We have goats. Do you see them? Do you see them? Oh, look at them. But first, we have our kitty cat. This is Skylar. Say hi, Skylar. Hi. She said hi. All right, Skylar, very good. You're famous. Now the goats. That's Apple right there. That black one is Coffee, and that is Coco. Coffee and Coco are males and Apple's a female. Very nice. I'm moving this along very nicely. I don't have much space. Then I have a mini horse. A mini horse. Yes, a mini horse. Her name is Victoria, but around the house we just call her Vicky. Vicky! Vicky Pony! Now you're a horse. Oh, hello! Say hi! Oh, Vicky! You're on YouTube! Oh, you're boss everywhere! Boss everywhere! Yes, so that is all. I know, I really rushed, but it was a good video, I think. So before I end this video, I'm just gonna give a shout out to 3 Times the Fun. The name of her channel will be in the description, so please comment, like, and subscribe to her channel. She's amazing. Bye, everybody. Have an awesome day.